Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Study the human male reproductive system below and answer the questions. Question. Identify Part B. Part B is the seminal vesicle. This gland produces and secretes seminal fluid, which nourishes and helps transport sperm. Question. Identify Part H. Part H is the testes. The testes are responsible for sperm production, spermatogenesis, and the secretion of the hormone testosterone. Question. What is the function of E? Part E. The urethra is responsible for transporting semen containing sperm cells during ejaculation and also serves as a passage for urine excretion from the body. Question. Test results show that a man has a low sperm count. The doctor advises the man that when he is working on his laptop, computer, which radiates heat, that he should not put the laptop on his lap. Why do you think this could have an influence on fertility? Optimal sperm production occurs at a temperature 2 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than body temperature. Placing a laptop on the lap increases the temperature of the testes, which can negatively affect sperm production. This reduces sperm count and quality, leading to decreased fertility. Study the diagram below of the sequence of events that takes place from the fertilization of the ovum to the development of the embryo in a part of the human female reproductive system. The arrows indicate the direction of development of one ovum after fertilization. Question. Identify structure C. Structure C represents the zygote, which is the fertilized egg cell formed when the sperm nucleus fuses with the ovum nucleus. This marks the beginning of a new human life. Question. Identify the stage of embryo development at E. At E, the embryo has reached the morula stage, which is a solid ball of cells formed by rapid mitotic divisions of the zygote as it moves through the fallopian tube. Question. Identify the structure that develops from a combination of parts F and H. Parts F, which is the uterus lining, and H, the embryo, together form the placenta. The placenta plays a crucial role in nourishing the developing fetus, supplying oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. Question. Name the process that takes place at B. At B, the process of fertilization occurs, where the sperm cell successfully penetrates the ovum, leading to the formation of a diploid zygote. This initiates embryonic development. Question. Name the process that takes place when G attaches to part F. When G, the developing embryo, attaches to F, the uterus lining, the process is called implantation. This is a critical step where the embryo embeds itself into the thickened endometrium, allowing it to receive nutrients and develop further. Question. Give the chromosome number of the cells at D. The cells at D have 46 chromosomes, as they result from mitotic divisions of the original zygote, ensuring the normal diploid number of a human cell. Question. Give the chromosome number of cell A. Cell A represents a haploid gamete, either a sperm or an ovum, before fertilization. Human gametes carry 23 chromosomes, which is half the diploid number, to ensure that when fertilization occurs, the zygote restores the full diploid set of 46 chromosomes. This is essential for genetic stability across generations. Therefore, before fertilization, cell A has 23 chromosomes. Question. Give the correct biological term for each of the following descriptions. The fusion of the sperm and egg outside the body. The correct answer is external fertilization. External fertilization occurs when sperm and egg meet outside the female's body, commonly in aquatic environments, such as in fish and amphibians. This method relies on water to facilitate fertilization. The development of the embryo inside an incubated egg that is laid. The correct answer is internal fertilization. In species that practice internal fertilization, fertilization occurs inside the female body before the egg is laid. The embryo then develops within an incubated egg, as seen in birds and reptiles. The development of the embryo in the uterus and the young are born alive. The correct answer is vivipary. Vivipary is a reproductive strategy in which the embryo develops inside the mother's uterus and receives direct nourishment until birth. This occurs in most mammals, including humans. The complete development of the embryo inside an egg in the female body. The correct answer is ovovivipary. Ovoviviparous animals develop embryos within eggs retained inside the female's body. The embryos receive nutrients from the yolk rather than directly from the mother. Examples include some sharks and reptiles. The development of the embryo in which very little energy is used, and parental care is required. The correct answer is altricial. Altricial species give birth to young that are underdeveloped and require extensive parental care. Examples include most birds and some mammals like cats and dogs.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.